Hello, peoples. It is it is Monday morning, and I'm out here confirming cars. I'm getting them done. I gotta find a new job. But hey, on the bright side, it's blue skies. Blue skies, white clouds, Andy's room. That's what we like, right? That's what we like. Coming back for lunch. Still Monday. I didn't eat lunch. I slept in my car. It was awesome. Hello, peoples. I hope you all are doing well. It's a rainy day. Well, it just started raining. It's more of a mist.
All right, Dave, ready to go.
But here we are again at work, as usual. I'm working Monday through Friday this week. Let's see how it treats us. Rain is coming down strong. Well, it was. It's lessened up now, but it was coming down. Now it's just a sprinkle, a light mist. So I hope you all are doing well. I just want to stay home for about 3 weeks. That's kind of what I want right now. Y'all, guess what happened? I was about to leave for work. I was about to just walk straight out, clock out, boom, I'm gone. Guess what a coworker decides to do right in front of my eyes that has kept me over there? They hit the car. Like, that's, oh man. Yeah, man. So here I am. I was supposed to get off at 4. It's 4:25. Got a water drop on my eye. And I'm now leaving work. So, yeah. It's really coming down now. Kind of like how I mentioned earlier about the rain coming down. But, yeah. I actually wouldn't mind going somewhere for a walk in the rain. I know that sounds weird. But I legit do not mind going to a walk somewhere. Just in the rain. Just to do it. I don't know. I'm saying random shit. Never mind. Hello, peoples. Today's Wednesday. It's raining already. It's pretty much a continuation of the rain yesterday, honestly. I'm about to be late for work. I couldn't find my keys because they weren't in the place I normally put them. But it's okay. It is what it is. I'm about to take a treatment while I drive so that way I can breathe while I'm at work. So I gotta get this set up before I can just get driving. And I gotta eat my little breakfast bars or else I'm gonna feel and throw up at work. So, let's hope the day treats us well. Happy Wednesday, everybody. You know what's going to be great about today? What's going to be great is the fact that, it's the morning, right? It's raining everywhere. Big puddles. Also, somebody lost the keys to this SUV and the white car behind it. And I'll have to be out here in the rain trying to find and recover vehicles. Isn't that crazy? But on the bright side, we got open space that I can use to fill up. So all these cars are about to get worked. All right, peoples. It is still hump day, and currently assisting. What's up? Throwing trash away? Yeah. Sorry about that. One of the transportation drivers started talking to me, seeing how I was doing and such, so I just made a small talk real quick. Basically, what was going on was that our GM was basically throwing away stuff that was in the store that he felt we didn't use anymore. So he threw away 2 signs that my mom could have used for her business, but he said technically it's still valuable to someone else. If it's truly, truly trash, yeah, you can have it. Like, if no one finds value in it, that's basically what he said. Then he threw away this display model, which is pretty much a like a 32-inch TV, a 32-inch flat screen TV. Yeah, he threw that away. That it was like anchored into this like board and everything. But honestly, ew, don't get that close. Honestly, if I was to go dumpster that, I could get all of that. I'd be good and have, yeah. But I'm not. What am I gonna do? So, yeah. Also, the Mercury's down there, looking all lonely and stuff. Honestly, I mean, no one's buying it at this point, so I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just figuring out how to fix it and then go from there. What I really need to do, what I seriously is clean up this house, because starting tomorrow, Andrew will be staying with us for a week for his mom and some other stuff that's going on. So, yeah, gotta clean up the house because it's not clean where I live. So, yeah. Y'all, look at that bullshit. That's all smoke coming from the damn quarry. Also, don't mind how weird I sound. I am taking my medicine. Not the smoke that's coming out up there, but look how foggy the road is. That makes no sense. Like, we literally are breathing that shit in. It's literally everywhere. Look how foggy it is. Good morning, peoples. I hope you all are having a decent day so far. Today is, oh damn, these bumpers ripped off. Today's Thursday. So far it's going well. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still doing the direct report. That's what's been killing my mood in the morning, but here we are. We survived. Andrew came into town today, so let's see how everything goes. We're gonna try and do a car show this weekend, plus a baseball game. It's gonna be a fun weekend, hopefully. So let's see what happens. So I'm walking in Wholesale now to look for a car I gotta check, right? Tell me why I come across with this monster back here. This is a Dodge. Oh shoot, hold on. Alright, I had to come up closer. Look at this. It's a Dodge Ram, but it has the Viper engine. It's really cool. It has a full cab and everything, but you need to jump it. The water pump and the power steering is bad, and there's no coolant in it. So technically it's still good, if you know what I'm saying. This is still a good find. Like, if you're able to fix those things and it's just running fine for you, you're set. Like, you're solid. You got a whole ass Dodge Ram. Got the Viper wheels, the big ass rotors and calipers, and the whole Viper engine up front. Now, I forgot my key, so I can't really open up the car to show you the engine, but it's dope. Also, let's say what's up to the Porsche GT3, GT4 RS, never mind. That's a 4 RS right there. And with the Mercedes and the Lamborghinis. One day I'm gonna have a car like that. One day. Alright, so just left the Walgreens there. Got my medicine and stuff. Apparently so I've been trying to stretch my inhaler out because I didn't know if I had prescriptions and all that stuff. And then I have my asthma medication as well that my asthma allergy medicine. That's right, asthma allergy medicine. I ran out of that, so I thought that was a one-time thing. Come to find out, I had 5 more refills for it. And same thing with my inhaler, I had 10 refills. So I had to pick that up. I had to wait till I get paid because all of it was, I had to pay for it also. Oh shoot, copyright. I gotta mute this clip. I wonder what the most is, and here's the thing, I don't even drink like that, but out of curiosity, I wonder what the most expensive is the store currently has, so I'm gonna take a look around. But I'm not gonna lie, this is a pristine store. The store is very pristine. You got candles, you got the wax candles, regular jar candles, all your paper utensils, even utensils over. They got a florist shop. It's pretty cool. There's a large elegance with this store. It's like their main theme is like a wood theme, so like majority of their shelves and just counters and stuff are just wood. Let's go through the exit. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, the Fresh Market. That's where all the rich people shop, honestly. And the prices were insane. Insane, I tell you. I only went in there so I could use the bathroom. And I felt broke going in there. Where's my car? Damn it. Look at this. See, I got my medicine, I got gas, and now I need to clean my car because this weekend we're going to try and go to a car show, and then we're also going to a baseball game, and I'm gonna have a guest all in these seats. So the car got fresh, you know what I'm saying? The car got exquisite. Especially something, but hey, we're gonna enjoy it. So I might go to Crew Car Wash real quick, and you'll get a montage of a car wash, and then we'll go through with the detailing process. All right, I'm over here. Car wash. That's the other person back in there. Swiped it real quick and left. I gotta get all these rooms, and you know what's the crazy part? It's not like I eat in here a lot. It's literally, well, it's not that I eat in here. It's just the fact that my shoes carry a lot of dirt, and then I get in and out of these dirty cars at work. So it looks worse and makes me look worse than what in reality it is. So yeah, but for now I'm gonna go ahead, get this vacuum together, and then go at it that way. Alright, inside's good. I have a hectic life, man. Is it just me, or it's a lot of me. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of me. I admit that. I'm not gonna deny it. It is a lot of me. But sometimes things just happen, and those things are just out of my control, you know? Like, what am I supposed to do? So now I'll do a time lapse of the window of wash and everything. So get the wallet ready, and let's get going. Oh, shoot. Maybe, hopefully. I was gonna say, is it up a little bit more? Probably just a basic wash, honestly. Not today. That was actually tempting, but no, not today. Yeah. I know, but I have so many subscriptions and everything. Yeah.
I would recommend that. I love it for my car. Like, I work here, I do get free washes, and I just get to go come down and
Makes sense.
yeah, $11 today.
Thank you. Awesome. Appreciate it.
Abby, you mentioned you really appreciate it. Here's that information about the club
Cool, yeah.
that I was talking to you about. We also have the Ultimate, which is a little bit more, but it comes with a couple more add-ons to it as well, and then some of the benefits on that.
Awesome.
No, sir, thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
You too. I said no once. Just stop it. Just stop. Y'all, tell me why coming out the car wash, I seen a Tesla truck. Those things really do look weird. And I've said it before, but to see one thing on the computer or like on TV or whichever, and then to see it in real life is just a completely different experience, you know? It's crazy. I'm not saying it looks cool or anything, I'm just saying it looks weird. So after the car wash, I stopped somewhere and did something, and can you tell the difference? Can you tell the difference? Can you tell the difference? I got black seat covers. No more tan seats. No more easy to stain seats. I got some water and liquid resistant seat covers. So now I'm about to go get dinner, then head home. All right. So I'm on my way to get something to eat, and look what's in front of me. Look at this big ass dually. Boy, thick. He's thicker than a Snicker. He's thick with 2 C's, man. He's double thick. Nah, I'm just joking, but he do got some big ass wheels on there and shit. That shit crazy. So y'all know we've been broke. We've been poor. We're broke bitches, right? This is the first time in a month in which we're able to actually get a nice dinner. And for nice, I'm talking about just at least eating out. So I asked my girlfriend what she wanted. She said, just surprise. So I was like, forget it. I'll surprise you all right. It was thick music. So we'll see how I did. Because honestly, I did not know anything. Like, I eat it, but I eat Steak and Shake like once every other year. So I really don't know what they have or anything, or what she likes from here. So we'll see what happens. Good morning, people. It is Friday. It's a cloudy day. No blue skies are shown here. And yet, here we are, ready for action. I'm trying to fly through work. So I can run whatever errands I need to run. And then, basically, go home and stream. That's all I'm trying to do today. That's all I'm trying to do. Will that work out? Probably not. We're gonna see what happens, okay? So, let's just roll with it. Now, I would never buy this vehicle. I will never, ever buy this vehicle. But I'm not gonna lie. The shits be nice. The shits be nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I am in a Grand Wagoneer, a Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This is their premium SUV. You got all this black material here with the fake wood, you see. But it goes around. It's stylish. I'm not gonna lie. It's stylish for sure. But and it has plenty of room to. This is a cooler. It doubles as a cooler for the road trips. I'm not gonna lie. It's stylish and all. And even further back at the sunroof, it has another sunroof back there. It's nice. But there's one issue. I mean, these are the keys to it. Look, these are the keys. Look at the issue. The car's not starting. Why? Because it's a damn Jeep. Well, we're introducing. This is the turtle. All she does is swim around. She looks at me with a turtle frown. At the family reunion, who we introducing? This is Xander. He's a little snake. But when he sees a mouse, better look the other way. At the family reunion, who we introducing? This is Miku, and he's a little bitch. But he goes crazy when you give him some catnip. At the family reunion, who we introduce? Oh. Alright, let's stop. Yeah. Hey. She hasn't seen it yet. So I'm about to get a reaction. You're going to be in the vlog. It's okay. Hey!
Why?
It's the don't. Anyway, we are going out with her family right now. We are going to Longhorn Steakhouse. People are here, they're crowded, so we're just gonna go in and see how things go. My hair looks like shit. Anyway. Alright, let's go. I've driven by this place many times. Never thought I would be going in one day. No. Why would I take pictures of the horn? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Ew.
Why would you do that? Don't do that. This game right here, I tell you. Just chill. Just chill. Look at all the games. As far as the eye can see, we are here at this group. Tell me I shouldn't do it. Tell me I shouldn't do it that fast. Yeah, we are here at this movie, but trying to find some movies. Here. Bad guy. There. Xbox remotes. Yo. I will play this on stream. I will play that. Those are memory cards for the original 360s. Guitar Hero games. Halo. Oh, Reach. Gotta get the anime in there. U571.
Got the Enigma machine.
A lot of music collections. They got an original Michael Jackson album. An original Michael Jackson album is insane. Here we are back again at Micro Center. Got some deals going on. Sorry, I just had to come up. They got the Nokias. I would do the same thing. I thought I would get in and watch. But I'm not sure. I can't find myself being the type to wear it. Oh, it's a big old monitor. It's like, that's big. That's the one I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. That's what I'm saying. I'd rather get this over the art is insane. I want it so bad. Crazy thing is that these are really some good pre-books. So yeah, so far so good. Look at the LCD screens. These are just screens that, yeah, you could just set them up. I would not mind any of these either. These are pretty dope. And these are laptops too. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this setup. It shows you pretty much everything inside. 2 fans. That's dope. Alright. So I'm looking for some things for my brother and myself. But first, I got to show you a 3D printer. It's cool right there. I don't know what this is making. I need me one of these. It only costs $5,000, but it's a big TV for sure. I would love to get a telescope. He does? Leaving Micro Center again. Empty-handed. Bless you. With your sneezing. Oh wait, is it one of those commercials for the cars? Oh my gosh.
So I saw one the other day.
You can't get it. Ah. That is Michael. And that's Jade's friend. There's Jade.
Could have got some bunnies, dog.
There's what the hell are you showing? Oh no. I didn't want that on video. Jerry W. Merrier.
Brian said it right for 5 minutes. And then they go back. Then they were back out. He goes,
This man, he's munching down.
That pulled pork is delicious.
I'm down there getting autographs and stuff.
Got a bunch of lefties, man.
We're on a journey with Andrew and Mark. We about to get some nachos. Boy, hey, you didn't run into him for me. Yeah, I did. He was just blind and didn't watch where he was going, you know?
Hot dog, beer, nachos.
Well, damn, Andrew, maybe he was right. This one. Hopefully, maybe. Oh.
I mean, I guess keep it in the family.
Whoa. If he puts it 1, 2, 3 bases loaded. Oh boy. Another home run. Home run.
Take one after, I didn't see it.
Let's game. Let's game. Let's game. Y'all hear the bell? You hear the bell? Where's the bell?
Yeah, so if you wanna
See you moving over there. Oh, the entire hotel done. Then disappeared. All right, we're all back home. We just came back from the baseball game. Got Kyle in his truck. Just walking to Michael's and Jade. Or going to Andrew's car. It's Andrew. There's Jade. There's Michael. It's Kat. It's Kyle.
Is this the one you took money?
Laughing because this dude in his window looked like he's butt ass naked. I'm gonna show you. Going home. Andrew's here.
Yeah.
Jay, hold on.
Squizzy! Why is he caressing my titties?
There you go. Okay. Hello, people. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had an exciting end to it, which I'm thankful for. Thankful for spending time with family and friends. This is gonna be the end of it. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all so much, but it's 12:30 at night right now, and your boy's about to go to bed, so I can edit all this stuff tomorrow. Peace out. Much love.